Just want to show you guys the back of my fridge. I've been having some loud noises every time we use the water. So found out the problem is these plastic or PVC water line. Look how small this line is, and every time it bangs on the wall and it makes very, very loud sounds. So I'm replacing it with this I got from Amazon. It's actually kind of long, but this is the braided style. And shoot, compared to the other one, this is very long. But I'm gonna leave the rest just hanging here. But I shut off the water. Literally, not much water came out. Look at that. Once the water was shut off, it was just empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and then replace it. But if you're getting the same noise, it's because of this plastic PVC line. Replace it with one of these. It'll be solid, no more noise. Okay, installation is completed. Nice and clean. Now we're ready to test. Now we're gonna do the water test. So far I don't hear any noises on the wall behind the fridge. Before, every time you try to take water out, you would hear this loud banging, like the wires banging against the wall. Right now we're just flushing the system, remove the air bubbles, and we are back to normal.